Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. So we are in the last few days of the year 2021, and what's a tough and a mixed year for all of us, but we always look forward, and now the new year stand before us like a fresh new chapter in our life. So today I will talk about New Year resolution that we all make since our childhood days. So, what's new about that? But how to keep intact and follow for the rest of the year is what I will share with you. So, watch the video till the end and subscribe to my channel Masterclass with Tapas. Once you are done with your year end reflection for the year that's ending, it is time to look forward to the year that is about to start. What will you write for the next chapter of your life? It is entirely up to you. Take the first step to make sure that it is a good, great chapter by setting New Year's resolution. Broken down in following step. This year, stop the cycle of resolving to make changes and then not following through. If your resolution is to take better care of yourself and get healthy, you will have a much better year if your resolution sticks. Here are the some tips that help you to get it started. The start of the new year is the perfect time to turn a new page, which is possibly why so many people make a new year resolution. The new year often feels like a fresh start and a great new opportunity to change our bad habits and establish a new routine that will help us to grow smarter, healthier, and capable, doing some socially, physically, and intellectually work. Of course, the resolutions are much easier to make than to keep, and by the end of March, many of us abandoned our resolution and settled back to the old pattern. In one of the studies, it shows around 20% of the people who make New Year's resolution felt that they were successful achieving their goals. Some of the most of the common resolution, including losing weight, sticking to a healthier diet, exercising, or do a new course, or look for a new job, quitting smoking, and spending more time with the family. But I would broken down this step into few numbers. First, be realistic. The surest way to fall start your goal is to make your goal unattainable. For instance, resolving never eat your favorite food again is setting up you fail. Instead, strive for a goal that is attainable, such as avoiding it more often than you do now. Second, plan ahead. Don't make your resolution on New Year Eve. If you wait until the last minute, it will be based on your mindset that particular day. Instead, it should be planned well before 31st December that is arriving now. Then, outline your plan. Decide how you will deal with the temptation to skip that exercise class or have that piece of cake. This could include calling on a friend for a positive thinking or a self talk, or reminding yourself how your bad behavior will affect your goal. Then make a pros and cons list. It may help to see the list of the item on paper to keep your motivation strong. Develop that list over time and ask others to contribute to it. Keep your list with you and refer it to when you need help keeping your resolve. Then talk about it. Don't keep your resolutions secret. Tell friends, family members who will be there to support your New Year resolution or resolve to change yourself for a better or improve your health. The best case scenario is to find a buddy who shares your New Year resolutions and motivate each other like a gym partner. Then reward yourself. This does not mean that you can eat an entire box of chocolate if your resolution is to eat a better diet. Instead, celebrate your success by treating yourself to something that you enjoy that doesn't contradict to your resolution. If you have been like sticking to Your promise to eat better, for example, reward yourself with a new fitness clothing or by going to a movie with a friend. Then track your progress. Keep a track of each small success. Short term goals are easier to keep, and each small accomplishment will help keep you motivated instead of focusing on losing the things. Focus on keep on the thing that you will love. Keep a food journal like to help you to stay on track and reward yourself for each 5 pound you lost. Don't eat up yourself. Obsession over occasional sleep won't help you to achieve your goal. Do the best you can each day and take one day at a time. Then obviously stick to it. Experts say it takes about 21 days for a new activity to become a habit and the 6 months for to become a part of your personality. It won't happen overnight, so be persistent and patience. Then always keep trying. If you have totally run out of steam when it comes to keeping your resolution by mid-February, don't despair. Start over again. Don't lose it. Recommend yourself 24 hours. You can do it anything for 24 hours. The 24 hours increment will soon build on each other. Before you know it, you will be back on the track. And it is most important that you should keep a track of your progress. So friends, what are your new year goals? Share with me by giving some comments in the comment section below. And before I sign off, wishing you all the very happy, rewarding new year, and continue to support my channel with ever more vigor. So before I say bye, till now, thank you.